Hi everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Eastiana. In today's video, I'm going to share how to create Luxy Hair signature waves. So how to get loose, long, luscious, beautiful waves, just like this. And I'm going to show you how to create this look with the brand new Luxy Hair Signature Curler. It's Luxy Hair's first launched hot tool, which is really exciting, and it makes curling your hair an absolute dream. The Signature Curler was designed specifically for long hair, thick hair, and hair extensions. And today I am wearing hair extensions to create this beautiful look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to show you the perfect technique to get beautiful waves every time, so let's get started. Okay, this is my natural hair and it's full length. So I'm going to be adding today in my 24-inch Luxy Hair Extensions. They look like this. Super, super long. I'm super excited to put these in. This is chocolate brown, that's my shade. And it's gonna add so much length and so much thickness to my hair. I'm really excited to curl these and do this look. Okay, so let's do a little bit of an unboxing before we begin. This is the beautiful long black package that the Luxy Hair Signature Curler comes in, so you can keep your signature curler stored in this safe box when you're not using it. Okay, this is the Luxy Hair Signature Curler. It's so sleek, it's so beautiful, so chic. I love it so much. And the first thing that you might notice about the Signature Curler is that the barrel is extra, extra long. So it's designed specifically for hair that's longer and thicker, and of course also hair extensions. So you're gonna be able to get that perfect wave and perfect curls because your hair is gonna be evenly balanced across the barrel and all of it's going to get the same amount of heat, so it's just gonna have like a much more structured, beautiful look. And just so you have a reference or an idea of how much longer the Signature Curler is in comparison to like other regular curling wands or curling irons, this is my old, just sort of standard size curling wand. And as you can see, the Signature Curler is so much longer. Also inside the Signature Curler box comes a heat resistant mat, so whatever you are curling your hair on, whether it's a counter or a table, when it's on and it's hot, you can set it down on this mat, which is really handy. And bonus, to protect your hands from getting burned, because you know that's the absolute worst when you burn yourself when you're trying to do your hair, it comes with a heat protectant or heat resistant glove, so you can wear this as you're curling your hair and be sure that you will not hurt yourself. What I love about the Luxy Hair Signature Curler is that it's such a well thought out, mindful product, because every single problem or issue or stuck point that you've probably ever experienced curling your hair has been addressed. The curler is on your side because it has an extra long wire, and also it's a 360 swivel cord here. I've definitely had straighteners and curlers in the past where the cord kind of gets damaged, and so you don't have to worry about that, and you can safely curl your hair with like any angle, up, down, side, whatever it is you do. A couple other safety features that you don't have to worry about. So we have a heatless touch tip here. So if you touch here or you like to hold on to that area, it's not gonna be hot, so it's gonna be safe. At the bottom here, we also have a stand. So when you're setting down your curling iron on any surface or on the mat, it's gonna be lifted up and no heat is gonna touch the surface. The Signature Curler has an auto off feature. So if you've ever made the mistake of leaving your hot tools on and leaving or anything like that, after a certain amount of time, you can be rest assured that the Signature Curler will turn itself off. The Signature Curler also has 11 heat settings, go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So depending on how thick your hair is or long, or also how damaged it is, you can select a setting that's right for your natural hair texture. And lastly, it has worldwide voltage features, so whatever country you are in and whatever type of electrical plug or outlet you use, the Signature Curler will work. So now you know how amazing the Signature Curler is and how thoughtful the design is and how it's going to address all of those issues that you've ever experienced with curling your hair. Let's get into the tutorial and see how the Signature Curler holds up in action. Okay, so the technique that you'll want to use to create Luxy Hair Signature beautiful waves is to curl your natural hair and then curl your hair extensions separately. So I'm going to start with my natural hair, and I'm going to start with some heat protectant to protect my hair. So I'm just going to apply that right now. And then I'm just going to brush that through to evenly disperse the serum to protect all of my strands. Okay, so what I'm going to do is sort of split my hair down the middle in the back, and everything on the right side of my head I'm going to curl away from my face towards the back. And then for the opposite side, on the left side, I'm going to curl everything again away from my face towards the middle back. So everything's just going to flow outwards, and it's just going to create this beautiful like cascading loose effect. So I'm just going to grab like 1-inch sections. I'm going to start at the back and again curl away from my face. I have selected 350 degrees FYI for my hair because I have about medium thick hair, so depending on again how thick your hair is or how susceptible to damage your hair is, you might want to go lower or higher. And as you can see, I'm holding the barrel parallel to the floor. I'm not holding it like up or down. This is the best angle to get that cascading loose effect for me. I'm just sliding it up, hold the curl in place, and then let it go. Perfect. So I'm just gonna continue curling my hair. Also, I'm holding each piece, again, I have medium thick hair, holding each piece for about 5 to 7 seconds, but again, depending on how thick your hair is, that could vary for you. Okay, so I've curled one side and I'm going to leave it like this, really tight and ringlety almost. I'm not gonna brush them out to make them loose yet. I want them to keep their shape and hold it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat on the other side. This time, again, I'm gonna curl everything away from my face towards the middle back. Okay, all of my natural hair is now curled. I'm going to leave it like this, not gonna brush anything out. I know it looks kind of crazy. We're gonna go head on over to curl our hair extensions now. So to curl my hair extensions, I'm using the Luxy Hair Deluxe Styler. I'm just hanging the wefts onto it, which makes it so easy to brush and style the extensions. Then I'm taking 1-inch sections and wrapping them around the barrel. As you can see, I have lots of space to work with and all of the hair fits comfortably around the extended barrel. Also, when you curl your extensions, you want to make sure you're using the same technique as you did on your natural hair. So curl the right side outwards, away from the middle, and the left side outwards in the opposite direction, just like this. Okay, so my hair extensions are fully curled, ready to go, and now it's time to clip them into my hair. So I'm actually going to use the Luxy Hair application kit, which looks like this, and inside are the tools I'm going to use to install my hair extensions. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, so inside we have a fine tooth rat tail comb and 2 handy little clips. So what I'm going to do is separate my hair, leave down 1 layer, so something I like to do to clip in the next biggest weft is I have this 4-clip weft here. Looks like this. And what I've done is attached and clipped the 3-clip weft on top of the 4-clip weft. So this is called stacking your wefts, and this just gives it a lot more thickness and dimension in all the right places. And it also makes clipping in your hair extensions a lot faster. Okay, now I've clipped in all my back pieces, so I'm gonna bring everything forward, and it's time to clip in the side pieces. Okay, we had to zoom way out because the 24-inch set is so long and it just goes down to my waist pretty much. So I'm going to create a clean part line here, clip that out of the way, and I'm gonna take this 2-clip weft and just put it right here. Okay, and to finish off the look, I'm just going to put in the single pieces, 2 on each side to fill out any, sort of empty spaces to make sure it blends really well. Okay, so the full set of my 24-inch extensions are officially clipped in. Now it's time for my absolute favorite part, the most satisfying part of it all. We're going to brush these curls out so everything blends really nicely and it just falls into place. To make sure everything holds together, I'm going to just apply a little bit of a spritz of hairspray. And one tip here is I like to apply my hairspray from the bottom up versus just like at it or above, and that way the product won't weigh down the curls, so it'll keep their shape. I'm going to use my Luxy Hair loop brush, and if you don't have one of these, I highly recommend getting one of these, especially if you wear hair extensions. It's designed specifically for hair extensions, so there's no snagging or pulling when you're brushing your hair. Okay, and the final step for this hairstyle to lock everything in place and make sure that everything is super shiny and blending well and prevent any frizz, I'm just going to apply a little bit of a hair oil and just run it through your hair like this, gently smoothing away any flyaways and sealing those cuticles. And that's it. That's it for this gorgeous long loose wave look. Luxy Hair signature curls using the signature curler. I love this look. I love how long my hair is, like literally down to my waist. And I love how even all the curls are. And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. All of the products and tools that I used in today's look will be linked down below in the description box, so if you want to shop for yourself to recreate this look, it's all there. Make sure you subscribe to the Luxy Hair channel for more hair content as always, and we'll see you next video. Bye!